griffith.
There was.
Was it wisdom?
Tangy. It's a taste.
It's tangy. I'm alright with it.
Yeah, me too. It's tangy, baby. It's got a vibrato and everything.
The only other thing is water it down well a little bit. I think it's good. I like it.
I do too. I love his vibrato.
Okay, let's get it in the bag, right?
Oh, duh. These are really thick. That's just my,
No problem.
you know what I mean?
Sing for your girlfriend. It's the tissue.
Yeah, that's what they say. What did they say? Half inch. About 3/4.
That's nice. That's good.
I think we're good.
We're good. We're good.
Very good. Singing Andy Griffin.
This is for, well, these are good. For half a cup. So we need a quarter of a cup. Do we have a quarter cup yet? No, not yet. Yeah, that's good.
What do you do with the rest of it then?
It says, remove extra marinade, grill, turn once the brushing remaining quarter
Oh, okay.
until tender. So I guess after 5 minutes we turn it over and put the remaining stuff on.
Very talented, Charlie. Very
I
talented.
love this vibrato. He's a happy little guy.
Yep, he's about the heart chakra.
He's gorgeous.
That's what he is. He's singing for my soul retrieval. I have it written. At 14, something happened to me. And at 21,
You know what
that
it was?
took part of my soul away.
You know what it was? Daddy's
And
was it?
Charlie is
She had
the
that.
retrieval for